Zalima or Zalima.
Mama, do you want?
Oh, Zalima. I have to sing that song. If you can tell a time. What can you tell a time?
Mama nifungie ile dirisha inaleta sauti ya wimbo. Ati? Unasikia nini? Nasikia.
Nasikia poa.
Oh, unasikia poa? Okay. Yeah. Yup. Ouch. Sorry, baby. Baby. Oh, you have a hickey. What? What is she doing? What is this girl doing? What are you doing? Huh? Okay, sing.
Baby, darling. What do you want, baby? Baby, darling.
Okay. Mama nipe wipes.
Basi wipes itaisha.
Oh God, umeshanitolea. Okay.
Ilikuwa tu wipes moja.
Oh my God, guys, we are out of our wipes.
Now I can play with it.
You've been waiting to play with it?
Yeah.
God, we are out of wipes.
Yep, we'll go buy another one.
It's about that date. We don't have the money. Where is the money to buy another one?
Oh.
Get me to cover this part. Not that. That trouser, maybe. The trouser there. And things are just closing. So we are back to taking care of babies. So we do this. My goodness, you're pouring the water down. So, oh my God.
I didn't forget to wipe.
Maybe that, yeah. Maybe give her so that I can finish. Gigi.
Mama, have an idea.
Gigi has food. Yes, what's your idea?
If we cut this up here, and we give it to the baby. I have wait.
Okay. Hey, baby, you put. Hey, and it's a lot.
Mama, I have power.
You have powers?
See.
What has your power done? Oh, you wanted to remove that part?
Yes.
So that you can give your sister?
Yes, I have power.
Okay. I'm covering G's bone. Okay. Thank you.
Silly mother.
Okay. I've told you I don't like that.
Oh, sorry.
Toa tu sasa. When you're done, it's like this. It's not smelling that bad. Talia.
Yuck.
No. Endo nilete washable nivalishe Gigi. Woo, we're done. Hey, baby, you put a lot. Your poop was a lot. Come on. Why are you fighting me? time for this. See?
You take this one. This one? Yeah, you take this one.
She's outgrowing this.
Give me this.
They are becoming small. Like, tell her what is it with the baby. Nieke iko dustbin. Gigi, come. Hey Maria, vipi nakwambia? Mimi April tukaenda salimia. Eti basi zetu zavutia. Tumekuja chokoza. Msidhani nimepata nafasi. Ewe Charlie, usinione mimi ni chipsi fungawe. When I smile at you, don't mean I want to get freaking with you. When I dance with you, don't mean I want to spend the night with you. Ati tuende nyumbani. When Charlie ebu wacha follow. Mini skati, ni urembo tazama lakini songawe. Musician in the house. Songambali, can't you see that you are mocking me? I've got my own, my job, my cash, it is it. Tafadhali nipe heshima yangu. It remained a little bit like this for me to become a musician now. Oh, come here.
Mom, this climbing my jump.
Come wear this, Mama. You love walking boom free. Bungalus. Oh, sorry. Come. Come. See? Mama, Ivana. Utaharibu hiyo nini na utaumia. Kuja. Come, Jian. Jana, come wear this first. Ndio Iva. Oh no. No, I've hid her boom boom. I don't want people to see her.
Why?
She should not. Her boom boom is private. You should not be showing your private parts to people.
And why you do show his part when he's washing?
No, I didn't show. She was wearing a panty, and I don't do that anymore. Okay?
Yep. Hello.
Haji, come. I think I should go shopping for baby G stockings.
And for baby G and for my mommy G. Mala, you go with who in the shopping?
I know you love shopping, so that's where you're headed. I'll go with you too if I have to go, but I still don't have the money.
Yep, Daddy have it.
Daddy have the money? Are you sure? You'll tell him so that he can give me, okay?
Yes.
You talk to your daddy, he give me a lot of money? Huh? Okay. She said she'll tell her papa to give me a lot of money, guys.
Papa.
You also need to give me money.
My mommy. The wife is gone. Mama, yes.
Okay, girl.
Yeah.